purple people have dropped off a box. And it's from the jungle site. Let's open it up. Of course, you already know what's inside. Lousy description. RTIC. RTIC. Normally I'm a Yeti fan, but I got an RTIC. This is a half-gallon jug. So occasionally I have a use for such a jug every once in a while. Not very often, but they're handy when you do need it. So this is the RTIC half-gallon jug. It is the black version. It's insulated, keeps ice for 24 hours, and keeps hot liquids hot for 6 hours. Double wall vacuum insulation, keeps ice longer, holds ice for up to 24 hours. No sweat exterior. The outside stays dry, no need for a coaster. 18-8 stainless steel, strong-loading stainless steel construction. Very nice. So, while I was shopping for this, my default was Yeti. So I looked at the Yetis, and the problem with the Yetis is they're expensive. As in, that expensive. Plus a little bit more. So I'm like, for what little bit I need a half-gallon jug, I'm not giving away a Benjamin. Sorry, not gonna happen. And just as recently, I did acquire another RTIC, a 20-ounce travel mug. So this little guy, he's only about 35 bucks plus, whatever, tax, stuff like that. So it's got your regular, it's got a go handle. It's got a go handle, people. And it's got the little cap here that you can suckle off of. In case you're that type of person or stuff like that. And it's just very easy to take it off. And gives you a decal. So I got another decal. Because right now I got a Yeti and an RTIC. Because, I still like my Yetis. But you know what? For all I know, and what anybody else knows, these things probably come from the same factory. And they just put an RTIC and whatever embossing or Yeti. So who the hell knows? But for almost 2/3 less, I'm all for it, man. So we'll take this this sticker off, or very tough paper here. And then, of course, on the back side of it, you get to your service and support. Just ship it back to Amazon. You get another one, no big deal. Care instructions: do not place in dishwasher. Hand wash only. Wash thoroughly before initial use. Do not use bleach or cleaners containing chlorine to clean. Do not place in the freezer. Do not place in the microwave. Use caution. Hot beverages will remain hot for several hours. Shop at RTIC at rticoutdoors.com. Overbuilt, not overpriced. Yeti. So, that's about the moral of the story. It's an insulated vacuum, water bottle and stuff like that. And it's got a big old sticky booger snot on it. Disgusting. But I like to protect the finishes on these things. Like on my quart bottles, I got a thing on it that keeps it from making noise and getting scratched and dented and stuff like that. So another thing I got from the jungle site is a jug diaper. So I got these coverets, and they come in different styles and stuff like that. And they're designed to fit. They're kind of like a wetsuit material, so we can try to shoehorn this little guy in there. And this one fits very nicely. And this will keep the outside from getting all dented and scratched and all other stuff. And it's got a little pocket here, so you can stick things in the little pocket, you know, like a wallet or something like that, or your earbuds or your charge cables or whatever you got that'll fit in there, so you can carry it all at once for you. And of course, you can zip it back up, and it's got its own little go handle on there, and it comes with a shoulder strap, a little bit longer handle, so you know, whatever you want to use. Of course, you got the original built-in go handle. It's got a little rubber seal here, so you know, don't go crazy on tightening up. And that's it. So if you're a fan of Yeti, but not a fan of, you know, the price, you know, like I mentioned earlier, a Yeti, half-gallon Yeti is a Benjamin Plus. So if you want the same thing, but a little cheaper, try RTIC. Save a little bit of money. You know, because we're all saving money because things are outrageously expensive nowadays. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.